Hey guys, just another video of the Scenic Cruiser here for you. I've been working on getting the generator started and I think I'm getting somewhere, but I'm having a little bit of an issue getting it going here, but I've made some progress. I've got it cranking and sputtering, so it wants to go. But all that being said, I thought I'd take a video and show you the first startup of this generator in a very, very long time, probably years. I think I do have a little bit of a leaking fuel line, so I need to get that taken care of, but I think it's still going to get enough fuel to go. We'll find out here. Here's the generator start button. Exhaust is right down there. Yep, there's the pipe. Let's give it a crank and see what happens. There we go, guys. Got it. Let's go take a look at it. No, pretty quiet. Gotta give it that. So, oh, you know what? We probably got to turn the breakers on first. Let's see. I'm gonna have to play around with this a little bit more, figure out how to turn this on, but anyway, here you guys go. Generator started. Sweet. Alright, so the generator's been running very well. I think it sounds a little like bearing noise or something up in the front, just kind of has that whirring sound, but maybe that's completely normal, I don't know. But I got the rear air conditioner works. Oh yeah, all these lights work too. Rear air conditioner works, except that one. Anyways, for the third time, rear air conditioner works. I can't get the microwave to work. The refrigerator works on AC. Even the little clothes washer and dryer in here, that thing works. So, the front AC though, I can hear the compressor kick on. The fan doesn't work. And coincidentally, this little fan up here doesn't work either. So I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, it's good to know that the generator does work. And you just shut it down, you push the little button here. And she shuts off. You want to fire her back up, you just push the button. Yeah, look at that. A little bit of rolling coal there, and you have your little diesel generator running. So I still gotta replace that little fuel line. It looks like maybe a rodent chewed on it enough for fuel to leak out, but even with the leak, it's still running perfect. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. And chassis still running. Just been letting that thing run. Coolant looks normal. Oil pressure looks good. Love that live oil pressure reading. Ford, pay attention, because I want that. And voltage has been staying good. Batteries are in good shape. I like it. I like it. So we'll see what happens here. You know, More to come. I still don't know what the future of this thing is, but it's looking a little better. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video.